Hello everyone, welcome to Janam Software. In this video, we will understand vehicle seized stock concept. Vehicle loan is given. After certain tenure, the borrower wants additional amount and uh, sell the vehicle to the merchant. So vehicle is going to seize the vehicle by paying some extra amount, and then later on, after certain period, the original loan value plus the amount extra paid to the borrower, the total recovery will be done by selling that vehicle. So let's understand this entire scenario. I am searching a borrower's file. I click loan. I have created one specific scenario. In configuration, we can see 135 is the loan value, 1.8 monthly percent for 30 months. I specifically set the date, click calculate and click save. Loan 438 is created. The loan installment 6930. Assuming that customer has paid first installment on 22nd, and I click receive. In installment, first installment is received. Now the situation is something like this, that this vehicle is going to get settled by merchant paying extra amount to the borrower. So for this purpose, we'll leave this loan as is and going to search merchant's file, which is created dedicated for vehicle seized concept. Now here I create one loan. The important part in this is I had to click loan transfer. I entered the loan transfer number, which was 438. I click check balance. I get to know the balance. Now on the right side we can see here that 135 was the original loan. Now settlement is happening at 3%. So interest is 4050 for per month. Wanted to get settled for 2 installments. So total interest will be 8100. Total is going to be 143 100, which is recoverable amount, out of which 6930 is already paid by merchant. So merchant has to paid by the borrower. So the recoverable amount is 136 170. All right. Now this amount we are going to add here, 136 170. Keep wave of as 0. All right. Now next thing is the 25 470 is the amount paid additionally to the borrower. So, and then after paying this amount, the total value of this vehicle is going to be 161,640. So I enter this amount here, 161,640, and I click. One important thing is configure loan manually, rate of interest 0. Sorry. Then tenor 1 day, because I want to create only one installment for a specific due date. Today's disbursement for said amount, and then this date I want to keep, let's say, for next month. I click calculate. 225 470 is the additional amount I had to pay. So select the method of payment here, the bank, and then whom we want to pay here. So we can here there is no option whom to pay this amount. So I'm going to simply click save. All right, so we are going to save this file now. This is 439 is created. I search 439. So the first of all, I would like to see the transaction. This amount is paid by ICICI Bank. Then the old loan adjusted for this amount, which is showing here. And the new loan amount is 161,640, which is this. Now we'll have to make one correction in the new loan account, the payment part. We can delete this payment and we'll have to make the payment to party. So party's file number is 261, which is noted down here, and amount is 25,470. 25,470, and then paid to third party. So this amount is paid to third party, and this was loan 439. We can also see the summary for this, that the payment is done, ICICI is credited, and payment was done to the third party. And for this specific seize account, the total recoverable amount is 161,640. All right, and the loan receivable for the old loan, that is 438, it was 136,170. So I search 438 here, and this loan is closed because this loan is transferred by paying the additional amount to merchant's own profile. Okay, so using this concept, what we have done is, just to recap, 1,35,000 loan was sanctioned, then one installment was paid. After certain duration, borrower wanted to settle this loan by receiving the additional amount, so it was settled at 3%, and there were two installments. The loan was settled for two additional tenors, so expected interest was 8,100, hence total 143,100, deducting the received installment. Hence the payable amount or merchant's receivable amount was 136,170. Merchant paid additional amount to the borrower, hence merchant total cost is going to be 161,640. Now this 136,170, we have done the settlement here, 136,170, and we received 6,930. In summary, we can also see a properly interest income 8,100 is properly booked here. And next loan, that is 439, we can see that the summary, the additional paid amount is credited from the bank and obviously received to the party. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked this video. This concept is really tough, but in very easy way it is managed in Genome software. All right, so thank you. Please share this video and have a great day.